What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Alejandro's Engineered Lifestyle. We are nearly 350 subscribers strong, and I'd like to kick this video off but with a special shout out to these folks here. Your comments lately, your engagement, the ideas you've given me, it's all been awesome, and this channel is really to benefit you. So these are some of the videos I'm bringing out. Starting with the 890 Duke R, I'm bringing a chain clean masterclass, exhaust modification, starting with a mid-pipe, scientific video based on sounds and horsepower gains associated with choosing a tune, as well as some handling skill stuff with suspension tuning tossed in there. So lots coming. This is my BMW 335xi, and this has been driven tuned for the last 50,000 miles. It just passed 100,000 miles. I bought it used. Some would say very poor financial decision. I would say it has been so much fun, and there's so much to learn in a car like this. Obviously, lessons that I've applied to the bike, as well as lessons I will apply in the future to this. This is the X3 M40i. Not new, but new to me. It is an absolute privilege to be able to afford this car. It's the first car I've ever owned with a warranty still, so we can't go too crazy with it, but we are going to do some light modifications, cosmetic, defect correction, paint protection, that kind of stuff. Overall, lots of videos coming out justifying poor decisions, but jokes aside, guys, I appreciate all the support, and I really do hope to be bringing you content that will benefit you. So let me know what you're looking forward to most here, and if I can add any videos for you specifically. Thanks.